Multi-layered flask. What do we need? Let's get started. Add 25 milliliters of honey in the flask. Add 20 milliliters of water and few drops of any color to the beaker and mix them well. Pour the colored water into the flask. Pour 15 milliliters of oil into the flask. Try to mix them using the stirring stick, then wait for a few minutes. Did you notice the 3 layers in the flask?
Wow!
Scientific explanation. Liquids have different densities, honey being the heaviest, then water, and the lightest is oil.